In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable an SSL certificate on your Wix website. Security is a crucial aspect of any online presence, and having an SSL certificate ensures that the data exchanged between your site and its visitors is encrypted and secure. This not only increases trust with your audience, but also boosts your website's SEO rankings. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is navigate to the support section of the Wix website. To do this, open your browser and go to support.wix.com. The Support Center is a valuable resource filled with helpful articles and guides that can assist you in managing your website effectively. Once you're there, you'll be able to utilize the search function to find specific information. In our case, we're interested in understanding more about handling SSL certificates on a Wix site. In the search bar, type, "Is it possible to manually disable an SSL certificate for a Wix site?" This question might seem unusual at first since our goal is to enable SSL. However, by exploring the possibility of disabling it, we can find out more about the controls that Wix offers. After searching, you'll find an article explaining why it's not possible to manually disable an SSL certificate on Wix. In essence, Wix automatically enables SSL on its websites and doesn't allow users to disable it manually. This automatic feature ensures that every Wix site has a basic level of security right out of the box, which is an excellent benefit for website owners who might not be familiar with SSL and web security overall. Understanding this information is crucial for any Wix user because it clarifies that some security measures are controlled in the background without requiring manual intervention. As a result, your website is continually protected with SSL, greatly reducing the worry about whether your site's data transmission is secure. If you're wondering about what to do next, it's essential to ensure that your visitors are aware of your site's secure status. You can do this by educating them on the importance of visiting websites that begin with HTTPS and discussing the benefits of encrypted communication. Additionally, you can strengthen audience confidence by prominently displaying trust seals or including a privacy policy on your site. That's all for now. I hope this video has helped you understand how SSL works on Wix websites and reassured you about the automatic protection that comes with using this platform. As always, ensure your content remains engaging and secure, providing the best experience possible for your visitors. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing and optimizing your Wix website.